Your home might be slowly poisoning you and your family without you even realizing it, and that's seriously scary. So here's the deal. If you're feeling all those weird symptoms like skin changes, dehydration signs, headaches, blurry vision, stomach pain, and even your toddler acting off when you're inside, there's a good chance your house is the culprit. First off, get a professional to do a full carbon monoxide inspection. Even if one detector says 0, the other one that's off the charts means something's wrong. Next, check the air quality for things like volatile organic compounds or toxic mold, because these can cause neurological and skin problems. Open windows when you can, but that's just a band-aid. Fresh air helps, but doesn't fix the root cause. Also, think about any recent changes or renovations. Spray foam insulation or anything chemical heavy can off-gas toxins if not done right. Use an independent air quality tester and see if PM 2.5 or other particles spike when you feel bad. Document your symptoms alongside the readings so you can show professionals exactly what's happening. Lastly, don't settle for doctors brushing it off as irritable bowel syndrome or random stuff. Keep pushing for thorough environmental testing. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring carbon monoxide poisoning since its symptoms overlap with tons of other issues. Get a certified pro to test your whole house thoroughly and replace any faulty detectors. Another common slip-up is assuming air quality tests from cheap devices are accurate. Invest in reliable tools or hire specialists who can spot toxic mold, radon, or chemical off-gassing properly. The third mistake is overlooking past home history like meth production or bad renovations that leave behind harmful residues. Check property records and consider a deep professional clean if needed. Fixing these means getting the right tests done, using trustworthy equipment, and never ignoring your gut when symptoms improve outside the house. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with real clients needing help, making sure everyone wins when it comes to fixing up your home safely.